English phrases explained. Worth a fortune. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English phrases for you. Today, we're diving into an interesting expression, worth a fortune. This phrase is common in English, and understanding its usage can really enrich your language skills. Let's get started. Worth a fortune means that something is very valuable or expensive. It's often used to describe items like antiques, artworks, or properties. The key here is understanding the word fortune, which implies a large amount of money or wealth. To better understand, let's see it in action. 1. The painting she found in the attic is worth a fortune. 2. His collection of vintage cars is probably worth a fortune. In both examples, the phrase indicates something of high monetary value. Be careful not to confuse worth a fortune with cost a fortune. The former implies value, while the latter implies high expense or cost. For example, this necklace is worth a fortune. It has high value. This necklace cost me a fortune. I spent a lot on it. You might hear this phrase in various contexts. Casual talk. Did you see his new watch? It must be worth a fortune. News reports. The stolen artwork was worth a fortune. And that's a wrap on worth a fortune. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing. See you in the next video.